Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, again unit number 6. While reading activity है questions given within the lesson. Why did the Qaid have to take long tours during early days of independence? आज़ादी के इब्तदाई दिनों में कायद आज़म को क्यों तवील दौरे करने पड़े? आंसर है ड्यूरिंग द अर्ली डेज ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, the Qaid undertook long tours to raise people's spirit. Why did the Qaid want the oneness of the whole nation? कायद पूरी कौमी वहदत क्यों चाहते थे? आंसर है oneness or unity of nation is the key to a nation's progress and prosperity. Therefore, the Qaid wanted to unite the whole nation for the progress and prosperity of the country. Are we working according to the expectations of the great leader? क्या हम अजीम कायद की तवक्कुआत के मुताबिक काम कर रहे हैं? No. We are not working in accordance with the expectations of the fathers of the nation. What is the result of neglecting the advice of the Qaid? कायद की नसीहत को नज़रअंदाज करने का क्या नतीजा निकला है? The result of neglecting the advice of the Qaid is that today Pakistan is facing numerous difficulties like corruption, terrorism, disunity and instability. दूसरी है एप्टीट्यूड, नेचुरल एबिलिटी, टैलेंट, फंडामेंटल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, असेंशियल, इनॉर्मिटी, चैलेंजिंग, ओवरवेल्म्ड, मगलूब, दबा हुआ, अफेक्टेड, डीपली डिफीटेड, पाइवट, सेंट्रल पॉइंट, हब, न्यूमरस, मैनी, प्लेंटीफुल, अलॉट, स्टर्लिंग, of the highest quality, superb, excellent. Very important है words, phrases, idioms and sentences, bits and pieces. The Muslims are divided into bits and pieces on certain issues. Man in the street. A man in the street can easily understand the ideology of Pakistan. Raising spirit. I have a raising spirit to get good marks, pass through. We should work hard and pass through the exam. Fall a prey. We should not fall a prey to disunity. Shikarona. I saw her helping an old man to cross the bridge. He promised to guide me. Wanted, decided, began. I wanted, decided, began to write a letter. To pay heed. Asim does not pay heed to my advice. Sterling. Asma has many sterling qualities. Overwhelmed. He was overwhelmed with grief. Bring forth. Evil brings forth evil. Belong to. This house belongs to me. Look for. Ladies are always looking for praise. Look forward. She is looking forward to her son. Rectify. We shall rectify the errors as soon as possible. Shake. Shake the medicine bottle before use. Swiftly. The thief ran away swiftly in the dark. Utilize. You must utilize your energies positively.